Welcome back to Fame. Shout your family, if you are new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. And if you are new, do not hesitate. And if you haven't yet subscribed, do not hesitate to hit this red button somewhere here below and kindly subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so that you cannot lose my weekly uploads. Okay guys, let me give you a brief introduction about myself. You know, and focus content creator. Ke focus ho etsa content ka Sesotho lo etsa bonnete ba go Sesotho le setso sa bo rona ha se le jalo, you understand, ha re gone ho lebala setso sa bo rona le mohlanti. And mainly I'm about Basotho and Sesotho. I'm a self-taught content creator and I do promotions. You know, hit her up. So you guys, as you see from the title of this video, we're gonna get into the video. Okay, as you guys saw the title of this video, today I'm gonna focus on the most highly anticipated video, the places to visit in Lesotho. People have DM'd me actually on TikTok, but this video is gonna help you. And if someone asks me, I'm gonna make sure that I send this video, the link of this video to you, so that you can understand why. Understand? So Malutsunyane Falls, guys, Malutsunyane Falls is beautiful, man. Malutsunyane Falls in there, and if also in Malutsunyane Falls, then what? Why are Lex to say Malutsunyane Falls? Because Malutsunyane Falls is beautiful. Malutsunyane Falls, guys, is the highest waterfall in Africa. Yeah, is the highest waterfall in Africa. NKHAHLE. So you have to visit this waterfall because it has got beautiful landscapes, it has got beautiful lodge aside itself, and it's very beautiful. Guys, make sure that when you have money, you visit Malutsunyane waterfalls. Second place to visit in Lesotho is Thaba Bosiu. What's that? Number one, they've got culture. Number two, banally history, culture, culture, and I give more than windy. I'm joking. Bosiu is very beautiful. It has got history. It has got actually things that are neglected in our days, you know. And I like the fact that Malutsunyane, what you call this, the boards that are gonna guide you and what was happening in the past. Do you understand? And the third place, yeah, Gome Caves. Wow, guys, I was here. I was once there. I'm gonna make sure that I put some pictures somewhere here, and I'm gonna put a video maybe if I still have. Guys, Gome Caves is beautiful. Gome Caves I don't wanna lie. The one thing that I like about these caves, culture, caves, guys, and they make sure that each and every time they maintain those caves. You understand? And because what's up, understand? So yeah, actually Gome Caves is so beautiful, guys. If you have money, make sure that you visit Gome Caves. And the last time I was there was this gogo that was so nice to us. Do you understand? That was so nice to us, and that was actually willing to us to educate us about the caves and what was happening in the caves in the past. So this is the third place to visit. The fourth place to visit Afriski. I haven't yet in Afriski, but I can tell you that Afriski is so beautiful. Afriski in there, guys, and you have to visit this place mainly in winter because it has got the heaviest snowfall. And the snow is so you can actually go skiing on Afriski. You can actually do many things on Afriski. You can actually take pictures on Afriski. This place is the place that I'm budgeting to go to. So if you've got a chance, why are you not going to Afriski? Why you say frisky? Because the frisky why? The key place number 5 to visit in Lesotho, Bokone Reserve Center. Bokone Reserve Center is so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful, and it is the highest reserve center in Africa. Imagine that. The kingdom in the sky. The kingdom in the sky. Lesotho la Basotho. Bokone Reserve Center, guys, is so beautiful, and you can actually go there and sleep and wake up tomorrow. Nature, you understand? Fly festiring your half, festiring a view sharp on Fetunga, Kafes view how sharp, and then would chitimu, chitikawa in Yana. Understand? I'm going extra. But yeah, Bokone Reserve Center, guys, is so beautiful. This is the 5th place to visit in Lesotho. So Hareo place number 6 to visit in Lesotho. Muteng Pass. Muteng Pass is beautiful. Muteng Pass is beautiful. I haven't visited the place, but you guys, it's beautiful. I can tell in pictures and actually everything, social media. Muteng Pass is beautiful. You know why Muteng Pass is beautiful? Because it has got the heaviest snowfalls. It has got the heaviest snowfalls in winter. So guys, this is the beautiful. The beauty about it is that it is the highest, pass in Lesotho, and in Muteng Pass. So if you've got a chance, make sure that you pop Muteng Pass a visit. Because why, guys? Please subscribe to this channel, guys. We are on our road to 10K. Please subscribe. I'm waiting for you. Subscribe. Why subscribe? Give me to a subscribe channel in Yakandaki. Then subscribe button, subscribe. Aside from that, we're going to Tshehlanyane National Park. This is the last place to visit in Lesotho. Last place to visit in Lesotho, Tshehlanyane National Park. Tshehlanyane National Park, guys, is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. If I've got the evidence of pictures, I'm gonna make sure that I post these pictures. And the Tshehlanyane National Park in Madiba Lodge. So when you feel actually that I've arrived late, I have to sleep over, you can sleep at Madiba Lodge, and tomorrow morning actually visit the nature and see the nature on Adinsang. Do you understand? As this video comes to an end, guys, I love you so much. I appreciate your support. You can actually follow me on TikTok. It's ke.kekelezokgadi, and you can actually follow me on Instagram, ke.kekelezokgadi, Facebook, ke.kekelezokgadi. And with that being said, guys, I love you so much, and I appreciate the support. We are sitting on 5,000 subscribers, and we're gonna go to 10,000 subscribers. So with that being said, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Ke le rata ka tsela esa ha ke tsebe ka tsela esa hlaloseheng. Peace.